this video, we are going to see how we can create projects, new projects in EPLAN. So for this, we need to go to the File tab, and then we can click on New, and then we can enter the name. So for example, EPLAN sample project. That's the name that I am entering here. And then I can decide on storage location. So as of now, I would like to keep it on the default location. So the default location is represented by this dollar symbol. It means whatever path has been defined during the installation, it is still same here, the storage location. But yes, we are free to change it from here. If you want, you can store the project in any other place. For example, you can browse desktop or maybe C drive, D drive, wherever you want in your PC. You can just simply select that particular path. But in my case, I'm not changing anything. So let it go to the default path. And then we have basic project. So if you browse here, there are a lot of basic projects which are available after the installation. So what does basic project means, first of all? So basic project is basically a set of settings, or maybe you can also call it as templates. So these settings or templates basically carry informations like whenever you create a project, which particular plot frame has to be used, or which particular form for a report has to be used, which particular symbol library has to be accessed. So as you know, this is a global software, so it supports different types of symbol libraries. So basically from here, we can set which particular library it should access. So in the starting, maybe we can select any existing basic project, and later on, we can also edit it based on our requirement and save it, so that for the next creation of the project, we can simply use that particular basic project that we have customized and use that for creating our projects further, right? So yes, I'm just choosing the basic one, the IEC BAS 001, and I will simply cancel this and then specify creation, date plus creator. If you want to display, you can activate this. So it's going to take the data from your laptop and display it inside the project. So if you want, this particular properties can also be displayed on the plot frame. So simply I'm just clicking OK here. And now you can see a new window has popped up. Basically, this is called project properties. So from here, we can choose the project properties and their values that we would like to display on the plot frame letter. So as of now, maybe I can just choose project description as day 1 project, for example, just for reference. And then I can also change something here. Let me change the commission by to ABB. And then there are a lot of other properties that may not be required as of now. So what I will do is I will first select all these properties which I don't need, and I will click on delete button on the keyboard. So what it does, it will delete all the values from the existing properties. And now what I will do is I can simply click on delete so that it deletes all the not required project properties. So if we click this, you can see it is gone. And if I want to add some more properties, I can simply click on the plus sign and I can, for example, choose it. So when you go for this plus symbol to add any particular property, and if you click on any of these property, you can also see the description below. So basically, this information is for identifying the exact use of that particular property, right? So there are numerous properties. So based on your requirement, you can simply choose it. Or in some cases, maybe if you are not getting exact property, you can also use these supplementary fields. So this supplementary field is from 1 to supplementary field 1 to field 100. These are additional fields or blank fields which are available. You can use it to display any kind of information inside your project as well as on the pages on the plot frame basically, right? So let me click OK. So we have already added few properties and I don't need this one. So I just choose and delete it. And approved by, for example, any name you can enter or something I have just put in over here. So next tab that you see here is statistics. So basically we don't need to do anything here. You can simply skip this particular statistics tab and go to the structure. This tab is important, but yes, maybe we can discuss this particular tab in detail in our further videos. Okay, so as of now, I'm just keeping everything as default. We are not discussing this as of now. I just simply go to the status and you can see again there is a tab. Here also you don't need to do anything. It's just for internal referencing. So basically it captures the number of pages, terminal, etc. So I just click OK and now my project is ready. You can see the project has been displayed in this page navigator. This particular section is called page navigator, and this is coming from the basic project that we have chosen while creation of the project. So there were some settings which defined like there should be a high level function CA1, mounting location EAA, and a title page. What we can do is, as of now, since we have not seen what is structure, I'm just removing all these pages like this. So this project is now without any pages. It's a blank project, and we will see later how to add pages inside the project. Thank you.